Hello, greetings. My name is Shepherd Prophet Samuel the Minion. Right, on this broadcast today, I want to say something briefly about crowd puller. I want to say something briefly about crowd puller. The last crowd puller that I did, a lot of people were picking interest, a lot of people were asking me questions, and of course, a lot of people were telling me they can't really bury anything. All right, and on that note, I have to really understand them. I have to really understand the situation. Of course, the situation of the country, the situation of Nigeria currently is a place that if you start digging up, if you start digging, maybe somewhere that is not yours, for instance, and people get to find you, it might result to another thing. And that is the reason why I'm coming up with this new recipe on how you're going to go about it and get very wonderful, productive results. And what will you be needing on this recipe? You're going to be needing an early morning urine. All right, you're going to be needing an early morning urine. All right, and when I mean early morning urine, please make sure this urine that you are going to extract is going to be the one you get from your own self between the time of 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. at most. All right, and that is your early morning urine. Okay, then get your early morning urine and go to the market, go get a very costly body spray, fragrance, anyone that the perfume, that the aroma is going to last really long. Okay, this is the second item you're going to be needing. All right, you're getting your early morning urine, you're getting a perfume that the smell, the fragrance is going to last for a very long time. All right, you'll be needing a sea salt, and if you can't get a sea salt, use your normal cooking salt. Okay, and this salt, you're going to be needing a handful of it. You're going to be needing a handful of salt, and you're going to be needing a handful of sugar. All right, and how do you do this? You're getting your early morning urine in a container, and then when you have it in your container, what next are you going to be doing? You're going to be adding your perfume, and that perfume you're going to be adding oil. Okay, you're going to be adding oil, and now you're going to be adding a handful of sea salt or the normal cooking salt, and you're going to be adding a handful of sugar. You are not adding any water. All right, and now after you must have mixed these 4 items together, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, and keep it in a safe place for 3 days. And the reason why you're keeping it for 3 days is so that all of them, the sea salt or the normal salt, the sugar, everything will dissolve and mix together properly. Right, and this is just it on on preparing this solution. All right, and now after you've prepared this solution, what next would you be doing? You're going to be using this solution to bath anytime you're going out for a business meeting, or maybe anytime you want to do your online stuff, or anytime you want to go to your shop, you want to go to the market, you want to, you're going to be using this mixture, you're going to be using this solution to bath. All right, and now remember, if you're bathing, please make sure you bath barefooted. Make sure you bath barefooted, and you're not going to be needing any soap on that bait. You're not going to be needing any soap on that bait. And not just that, after bathing, don't even dry your body with maybe towel. Allow your skin to air dry. Allow air to dry your body, right? And that is all. Yes, but then I think I am remembering something now. Please, right before you extract your urine, make sure that you didn't talk to anybody that morning. Don't even exchange pleasantries, greetings. Don't. All right, just wake up, go to your restroom, extract your early morning urine before you start speaking to anyone. All right, so this is just a few normal power that governs the universe, that governs the nature. All right, so you're going to be using that solution, that mixture, to bath. All right, and after bathing, what next are you going to be doing? That same solution, you're going to take it to your business premises, a little of it, and sprinkle it, inside and outside the place of your work. Just like you have your normal holy water, you have your normal anointed water, you have your normal anointing oil, you just use that same solution, splash it a little. You can just put it in a spray bottle, put it in a spray container, splash it a little bit in the environment inside and outside your shop, and believe me, believe God, believe the universe, things is going to really work out, greatly for you. And this kind of a lot of crowd will be drawn to your business premises. And so that is it on crowd puller. Right, so this is the end of this video. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, The Healer Broadcast, and also most importantly share the video to people that really needs this knowledge. All right, say something on the comment section anyhow you want me to maybe still explain it. If you cannot do this one, still tell me. Write me on WhatsApp. My call line is going to come on the screen. Write me on WhatsApp so that we can talk about those things that have been bothering you, business-wise, academic-wise, spiritually, and otherwise. And I believe God, I believe in the universe. Things is going to fall in place real good for you. I remember myself, Shepherd Prophet Samuel, the Minion, your one and only friend on this channel. And the reason, the purpose why we are here is to make sure that we keep educating humanity until things begin work better and perfect for us. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.